Students, in this video I am explaining class 10th quadratic question. This equation is solve. Okay, you should find the roots of this equation. So let's do it. Okay, solution. So first, this type of question, take the LCM of the denominators. So x plus 4, x minus 7. So x is not equal to minus 4 comma 7. So for this LCM is x plus 4 into x minus 7. So numerator is, so x1 into x minus 7 minus of 1 into x plus 4 x plus 4. Okay, that is equal to 11 by 30. Now see, if you open the bracket in the numerator, x minus 7 minus x minus into plus minus 4. This step is important. Okay, so here minus x plus x cancels. So denominator you multiply means x square minus 7x plus 4x. 4 into minus 7 minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now minus 7 minus 4 minus 11. So next step is cross multiply. So minus 11, this 30 will come here. Okay, 11 into, so if you simplify, minus 7x plus 4x means minus 3x. So x square minus 3x minus 28. So here 11 and 11 cancels. So I am writing x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to minus 30. Okay, we got this equation. So x square minus 3x, so bring this means plus, minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. So we got x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So if I find the roots, 2 ones are 2. So middle term we got minus means minus 2 plus minus 1, which is minus 3. So x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So x you take common means x minus 2, minus 1 you take common means x minus 2. So what are the roots? X minus 2, x minus 1 equal to 0. So roots are x equal to 1 comma 2 are the roots for this. Okay, so same type of questions